All right, welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to another episode of Network Trade. So currently it's Sunday in Lagos, Nigeria, 6 p.m. Sunday. All right, so it's a new week, guys. A new week. So for this week, gold. This is a top-down analysis for the trade I'm interested in. I do this every Sunday. All right, so first trade on my list this week is gold. I'm still in on gold on the 25k account. We are still holding gold currently. We are still holding gold. I stay in on this position right here. So I'm anticipating a more push to the upside. I'm anticipating a push to the upside on gold, simply because on gold we are just above this area. We are above this zone. So I like that the fact that we are above this zone already. We are above that zone. All right. So coming down to the weekly, on the other hand, we are also above this zone. All right. So there's a high chance of us having this market pushing all to the up onto the zone, to this new high that we have. So once we have that, I'm going to have my take profit. The next trade, Euro NZD. I'm looking to buy, still looking to buy Euro NZD, simply because on the daily we are at a very clean support and resistance zone. Very clean. Whenever we are above this zone, we are buying, but whenever we are below, we are selling. Whenever we are below, selling. Whenever we are above, buying, support, and the market are broken above, coming back for a retest to have that push to the upside. On the weekly, you can see the very brief move. We have this double bullish move, rejection. We might have this weak fill. Okay, anticipating a weak fill on the weekly. On the 4 hour, beautiful move. What I'm waiting for on the 4 hour is a breaker, coming back for a retest in the zone. I'll be looking to go in for my buy. NZDJPY, I'm looking to sell NZDJPY simply because if you come down to the weekly, we're at a very clean support and resistance zone. We're at a very clean resistance zone. This zone, the market has a high tendency of rejecting from this zone. You can see this multiple rejection right here. This weak. Now we had a break above, broke below. Retest is look more of a retest to have that push to the downside. If you come down to the daily, on the daily you see the price market is just so clean. On the daily, very clean price market. So break out of the zone, coming down to the 4 hour. What I'm waiting for right now, the 4 hour. So the market to break out. As I retest, I'll be going in for a sell. On NZJPY, GBP card. For GBP card, I'm looking to buy GBP card at a very clean support and resistance zone. You can see the zone, very clean, very clean. Now we have broken above, have a retest, broken above again. Now we're having another retest at the breakout. I'll be looking to go in for GBP card. If you come down to the weekly, you see we're at a very clean resistance zone, very clean support zone. Whenever the market is above this zone, is acting as a support, but whenever the market is below, as a resistance. So on the 4 hour, what I'm simply waiting for on the 4 hour is a breakout of the zone. So the breakout retest, I'll be going in for a buy. So that's pretty much it. Watch out for my next video coming soon, coming after this, where I'll be breaking down the remaining 2 pairs, or I have 2 more pairs to go. That's pretty much it for now. Peace out. See you in my next video.